Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, karibu sana. Happy holidays to you and your family. So in today's video, I am going to show you how I clean my master bedroom. So let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is make the bed. I was to change the bed sheets, but I did not in this video, but during the reveal you'll see that I changed the bed sheets afterwards.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take you so long? Hey, while I was dancing on.
I DIY'd a cleaning solution with Dettol disinfectant and water, and that is what I am using to wipe down the bed and the side tables.
Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back.
Using the same solution, I'm going to wipe down everything that is on the dresser and also the dresser itself. Don't worry about the top drawer, it doesn't close fully as it's a bit big, but I will sand it down one of these fine days so that it can fit perfectly.
Got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take you so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now the prayer's been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Now I found you. And now my prayer's been answered. Now I found you. Why did it take you so long? While I was dancing on my own. And now my prayer's been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
I am using the Astonish Extra Strength Window and Glass Cleaner to clean the mirror in my bedroom and also the window.
Sitting in that booth with you took so much strength for me to do. I just can't believe it. It took so long to tell the truth. You just want to drag it all back, just to see my face. But what you did was bring it back. Don't touch me, babe.
I have this shoe rack that I still use to store my bags, and I'm going to clean it as well using the cleaning solution that I DIY'd.
I'm not on your side no more. I'm not on your side no more. I hope you're happy now. I hope you're happy now. I'm not on your side no more. I'm not on your waiting at the bus stop. There's so much I could say, like just forget this. Come back to my place. No, I can be your.
I can't. I'm sorry.
I say that we did all that, and there's no casualties. Just don't tell me one more time I've gotta go. I've read between the lines and now I know. I know I'm not the only one who was. I guess I really thought that I was enough.
The last place that needs wiping down is my wardrobe doors, and that's what I'm doing now.
I'm not on your side no more. I'm not on your side no more. I hope you're happy now. I hope you're happy now.
The last thing that is left to do is to mop the floors, so I'm removing the rag from the bedroom, and then I'm also going to mix the cleaning solutions that I need for mopping.
I'm not on your side no more. I'm not on your side no more. I hope you're happy now. I hope you're happy now.
Thinking of every mistake.
I really need to upgrade my mop because, guys, I have had it for the last 3 years and yet it's still here. I think it's about time to just upgrade it.
Sick of the give and the take. Hey, so what is new? Just waiting in queue. You done on me what was done on you. It's hard to forget, but I get confused. So confused, but I'm trying to be strong, and yet I still lose. Oh no, I'll never ever get a chance to go back in time. Even if I did, I don't know if I'd like what I find. Feeling intervention coming from what must be divine, divine, divine. Yeah, I forgive.
I don't like having stuff under my bed, so that I can just clean that up really nicely and remove all the dust that is left underneath, so that when we sleep, everything is clean and airy.
Forgive you for the things that you're not sorry for.
My closet tiles don't match the tiles in my bedroom, but we move. It is what it is.
I forgive the way you always seem.
I'm using the Astonish White Flowers fabric refresher to freshen up the curtains, the bed cover, and the carpet.
To ask for more, for more, for more, for more. I forgive the days you walked away and left me cold. I forgive you, forgive you. I'm sorry it took this long. Sometimes I wish you were there to show me you cared. So many things I wanted to share.
I had to change the bedding, guys. I had to, because what is a clean bedroom if you don't have clean bed sheets?
Share all of those times it didn't feel fair. But pressure, it makes a diamond so rare. So rare, so rare. I'll never ever get a chance to go back in time. Even if I did, I don't know if I'd like what I find. Feeling intervention coming from what must be divine, divine, divine. I forgive you for the things that you're not sorry for. I forgive the way you always seem to ask for more.
I love how clean and fresh the bedroom smells. The smell of Jik, disinfectant, Dettol. So good.
I forgive the days you walked away and left me cold. I forgive you, forgive
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers, and I'll be really glad if you came on board to help me out. Until next time, guys, bye.